Panzerotti's inside out pizza. Cuciniamo. Hi everybody, welcome to Cuciniamo with Johnny V. Today is Saturday, March 7th. I am Johnny V, and today I'm going to be making a Panzerotti. If you don't know what a Panzerotti is, it is basically an inside out pizza that is fried. You can bake them, but I prefer them fried. They taste better fried. Everything tastes better fried, right? And I don't get to eat these often. One, because in the area that I live in, they're not made around here. Where I used to live, I used to be able to get them at some local pizza shops. So we're going to make them. Basically, all you need is pizza dough, which I have here. Did not make this pizza dough. I'm using a store-bought fresh pizza dough, not frozen. And then I have some fresh shredded mozzarella that I shred. And I have, pizza sauce that we're going to use to put on the pizza or put in the Panzerotti. So let's get started. Okay, so I floured my board, and this is my pizza paddle board that I'm using to make these Panzerottis. And I take my dough, I'm actually going to cut it in 4. I should have used a knife. So I'm going to make 4 of these. Okay, so I rolled it out as best as I can. It's not a complete circle, but this is how big it is. You can make it as big as you want. I'm not going to make it too big. Now we're going to put some of the sauce in here. We're going to put it in the middle because we want to fold this over. And then we're just going to put some shredded Parmesan cheese. Oh, I'm sorry, mozzarella cheese on it. And then we're going to fold this over and form a pocket. And it's important that you seal this really good. And this is it. I'm going to put this on a tray for now, make the other 4, and then I'll take you over to the stove and we'll fry them up. So I made these 4, heating up the oil right now, hoping these come out right. This is the first time I'm making Panzerottis at home, because like I said, I've always bought them at the pizza shop. So as soon as this heats up, I'm going to fry these in the pan. Okay, the oil is around 350 degrees. That's where you want it. I used my thermometer to test that out. And now let's gently place this in the pan. I know I should have used a deeper pan, but I wanted it to be open enough so that you could see it. I'm sure I'm going to regret it, but we're going to let it fry for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Flip it over. And this is my first time making them, so hopefully they come out right. Okay, this was about 3 minutes. I'm going to gently flip it over. You could see how golden brown it's gotten on the one side. And we'll do this side for another 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, the other side cooked for 3 to 4 minutes. I'm going to take it out and let it rest on a wire rack. And then I'm going to do the rest, and then we'll taste it. Okay, so they're all fried. We're going to taste them and see how they taste. Okay, so now it's time to taste the Panzerotti. Normally you eat it by hand, and I normally start at the end because if you cut it in the middle, it's going to come out. So hopefully I don't burn myself doing this. I'll cut the end off just so you can see. Oh my God. Can't even. Basically, that's the inside of it. I don't know if you can see it. Sauce. Mm. It is delicious. Probably would have made it a little bit thicker just so there's a little more crunch to it. But all in all, they came out great. Have a good one.